Bear Kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.
Pandas competition. That was a beautiful snow-capped mountain. There lived many pandas. Every year, they used to have a competition. The panda who wins the competition will be given a trophy. There were two teams, red cap team and blue cap team. They often fought among themselves. At that time, there came the leader and announced, "The contest for this year will be conducted tomorrow. You can participate in pairs." The pandas said, "We are ready for the contest." The leader instructed them to come to the contest place and went from there. Once the leader left the place, again they started arguing about the contest. They said, "Let's decide the winner at the contest," and went from there. The next day, all the participants gathered for the contest. They were all ready for the contest. The leader announced, "The contest is that there is a room built in the middle of water. In that room, there is a decorated cake. The team which takes it is the winner. But you should not get drenched in water. You can utilize the things that are available on your way." The pandas were ready for the contest. The first team started the contest, went near the water and thought, "How could we go to the room without getting wet? Let's walk on the water and reach the room." When they tried to walk on water, they fell into it and lost the contest. The red cap team laughed at the lost team. Next went the blue cap team. They decided to use the wooden plank to cross over the water. Since they didn't use the wooden planks properly, both of them fell into the water. The blue cap team also lost the contest. The last team was the red cap team. They were determined to win the contest, so were thinking very deeply. Both of them decided to use the wooden plank to go to the room. They then took some wooden planks and a chocolate for them to eat. They kept a shorter wooden plank at the side, then placed a longer one over towards the room. Carefully, both the pandas went into the room. There, they met three little pandas near the cake. They said, "If you give us a chocolate, then we will let you take the cake." The two pandas were fighting to give that chocolate. The little pandas then said, "We want equal share of this chocolate." The red cap team were thinking of how to divide it to 3 equal parts. discussed for a long time and got an idea that if we cut it in L shape, then we can divide it to 3 equal parts. They did so and gave equal share of chocolate to the little pandas. Since they gave the chocolate, the little pandas allowed them to take the cake. The red-capped pandas were very happy to get the cake. They brought the cake to the leader without getting wet in water and won the contest. The blue-cap team asked the red-cap team, "How did you reach the room without getting wet?" They said, "If we use the wooden plank straight, we will fall. So, we used a shorter one at the edge and the longer one to the room." The blue cap team appreciated the red cap team for their brilliance. The leader of pandas announced, "Red cap team is the winner of this year's contest." He asked the blue cap team to give them the trophy. He also asked them not to fight and be friends. Bye-bye, kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.